Welcome to our video on budgeting basics. Budgeting is an essential skill that can help you take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. In this video, we'll cover the basics of budgeting and offer tips to help you create and stick to a budget that works for you. Section 1. What is a budget? At its simplest, a budget is a plan for your money. It helps you understand how much money you have coming in and going out each month. By creating a budget, you can make sure you have enough money to cover your expenses and save for your goals. Section 2. Why is budgeting important? Budgeting is important for several reasons. First, it helps you avoid overspending and living beyond your means. Second, it can help you identify areas where you can cut back on expenses and save money. Third, it can help you reach your financial goals, whether that's paying off debt, saving for a down payment on a house, or planning for retirement. Section 3. How to create a budget. Creating a budget is easy. The first step is to gather all your financial information, including your income and expenses. Next, you'll want to categorize your expenses into fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage payments, and variable expenses, like groceries or entertainment. Once you have a clear picture of your income and expenses, you can start creating a budget that works for you. Section 4. Tips for sticking to your budget. Creating a budget is one thing, but sticking to it can be a challenge. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. 1. Set realistic goals. 2. Review your budget regularly. 3. Use budgeting tools and apps. 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. 5. Find ways to increase your income. Section 5. Common budgeting mistakes. Finally, let's take a look at some common budgeting mistakes to avoid. 1. Not accounting for regular expenses. 2. Underestimating expenses. 3. Failing to adjust your budget as your financial situation changes. 4. Not building an emergency fund. 5. Setting unrealistic goals. That's it for our video on budgeting basics. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Thanks for watching.